people want to, especially younger people, they want to grow, want to be in a place where they know there's upward mobility for them.
Yeah.
But when you're a 4-man operation or a 6-man operation, you can't retain that employee because he's going to outgrow you.
Yep, I agree.
I mean, I outgrew most of the companies I was with because of that reason. I just got bored to death. A guy with ADD who's a hustler and a go-getter, and you keep him in the same place and you say, you're going to stay here till you die, it's detrimental to me. I took lesser paying jobs just for a bigger challenge because I was that kid. And how are you like in your recruiting process and all that? What are you implementing to find that kind of person that is the fit for you in that culture? Because that's the most difficult part, is identifying it. Like, what's your process like as far as, attracting those people and then bringing them in and then onboarding them? Because I think that's where most companies fall apart, is that onboarding and the failure to ID the right person because they don't have a culture. So
what we do is, we do all the similar routes that a lot of people do.